Now we're here on the next day. This would be October 11th, about 10 o'clock in the morning. This would be Highway 231 South, heading into town. Everybody trying to get in, but what they don't know is only non-essential only essential personnel and rescue stuff's getting in. You see the ones that got turned around, heading back. Here's a better look at my car. Windshield out of, or back window out of it. We all just hanging out up front here. Ain't nothing better to do. I showed y'all the damage yesterday. I rode into town. There's some pictures I took. Some things that are messed up. Better look at this tree right here. That tree is gone, son. And then we got bees that have been displaced. And if you see the camera wiggling, it's because I'm shaking bees off me. Dadgummit. Anyway. Nice little tour. You see that? I used to be, like I said, lush forest. People just hanging out. Canvas of the tree is gone. You can hear chainsaws in the distance. They cutting trees, sounds like on the road. Road's still blocked. Basically all the way down to Panama City on 231. At least as of 5 o'clock yesterday, it was a obstacle course. Yesterday we had a parade of National Guard coming down 231. Parade of emergency services, etc. I wanted to show you this. That's the neighbor's carport. See how it's all open air? We'll walk over here. About 100 yards that way is the roof. See how signs have been knocked out. Cables. So yeah. We're having an interesting time here in Northwest Florida after the remnants, after Michael, and probably record some more later.